Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a little rubber duck ornament. This is what we're going to need. He's very quick and easy, like most of my ornaments. And this is also a very good seller at the craft shows because this is aimed more towards babies and small children. And of course, you will personalize it. So let's cut our hook to begin. And you can make him larger or smaller depending on the size of the round cookie cutter you use. And I rolled some white through the pasta machine. If you don't have a pasta machine, just use the roller like I'm using there. I folded it over once. And we're going to cut out the round. And these are great to put on gifts at baby showers or any time for a baby gift and put the baby's name on it. Use it as a gift tag. Now you don't want to cut this in half, just kind of cut the top, I would say 1/3 or 1/4 off. And I guess I've decided not to do that on this one. Well, we will. All right, let's put the candy cane rope on. And once again, I apologize for the fuzziness. It's when those big trucks go by outside and they shake the house and they shake my tripod. And I haven't quite figured out what to do about it, but I'm trying to work on that. And for those of you who are new, to make a candy cane rope, just roll out a white rope and a red rope, squish them together, and then twist. Next time I'll have this ready for you. So today we're having kind of a rainy day, a little cooler. But right now, today is February the 13th, day before Valentine's Day. And of course, down the road, this won't matter. But I did make one Valentine's little thing, and that is the little bumblebee on the plant stick. I don't know what I was doing there and I should have edited that out. I don't know why I didn't. But hey, gave me more time to talk to you. So anyway, my only Valentine's thing that I remember that I made is the bumblebee on the plant stick. And that's a fun thing to put in a plant. Say you're giving somebody some flowers or whatever, and we'll be doing more plant sticks down the road. All right, now I'm cutting it. See, I'm cutting like the top quarter or maybe 1/5 off. You can cut a little more than that off. And then I'm flattening that, and that's where I'm going to put the rubber duck's body. Now, I did call it a rubber ducky in my title, and I did look it up for copyright issues, and it said it is in the public domain, except for some jumbo giant rubber duck that's like 60 feet tall, that there's some kind of issues about that, but this is not 60 feet tall, so I won't worry about that. And so just shape it with your hands like this. Don't make it real flat. You don't want it real flat. Then kind of put the neck back. I'm sure we all had a yellow rubber duck when we were growing up. Even I had a rubber duck. Gosh, I can't believe it. Wow. Or did I? I don't remember. Yeah, I think I did. Then a round ball for his head. There goes my text messages again. I didn't turn my phone off. Sorry. And then we do our red hat. This is the same way we do all the Santa hats and everything. And we're going to wash our hands after we do the red. So I had my checkup at the doctor the other day, and she told me I had the nicest feet of any 70-year-old she had ever seen. Which, okay. And I told her I could still bend over and cut my own toenails, and she said, well, that's even more impressive. All right. And then, of course, everything was okay. I still have the diabetes. I still have the eye problems. I still have the orthostatic hypotension, but everything else was okay. So, of course, the next day I felt like I was having a heart attack. I just felt miserable all day. So I thought, well, that's typical, you know. Oh, I should be talking you through this, sorry. So we did the brim of the hat and the little ball. And now we're just going to do a larger teardrop shape for the wing. And we're not going to texture this, just leave it flat. Because the rubber ducky is just flat. So anyway, the day after, the doctor said, oh, you're good to go. I felt like I was having a heart attack. Well, it turns out I had heartburn. But I'm A-okay today. Now we use the orange to do the beak. He's almost done. He goes pretty quickly. We're going to do the holly leaves, which, as you know, I put on almost every ornament. Now on this ornament, I will be putting the name on the bottom under the little ducky, and the year will go in the ball of the hat. Now, if you want to write First Christmas, you can do that on here, and do that on the bottom, and then write the name on the brim of the hat and the year on the little ball. I sold a lot of these. Oh my gosh. And they're great as gift tags. Now, if you want to put First Christmas on there, don't put the holly leaves up there on the hat, because then you'll be limiting yourself as far as writing the name, because some names are very long. And some people want the first and the middle name put on. And you always have to do what the customer wants. There's the little holly berries, red berries. This was a very fast one. And of course, blush before you bake. And as always, bake it according to the instructions on your package of clay. And I know a lot of you are asking me what kind of clay do I use. I do use the Sculpey 3 because it's a little softer and it's just easier on my hands. But for some things, you may want to use a stronger clay like a Primo, Fimo, Cato. But we don't have a lot of little pieces sticking off on the ornament, so I think Sculpey 3 is fine. And there he is. He's all done. Boy, wasn't that quick and easy. He's cute, if I say so myself. So be sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Bye.